Do you respect Putin?
I do respect him.
Do you? Why?
Well, I respect a lot of people, but that doesn't mean I'm going to get along with him. He's a leader of his country. I say it's better to get along with Russia than not. And if Russia helps us in the fight against ISIS, which is a major fight, and Islamic terrorism all over the world,
right?
Major fight, that's a good thing. Will I get along with him? I have no idea. It's very
He's a killer, though.
I won't.
Putin's a killer.
A lot of killers. We got a lot of killers. Why, you think our country's so innocent? You think our country's so innocent?
I don't know of any government leaders that are killers in America.
Well, take a look at what we've done, too. We've made a lot of mistakes. I've been against the war in Iraq from the beginning.
Yeah, mistakes are different than...
A lot of mistakes, okay, but a lot of people were killed. So, a lot of killers around, believe me.
All in the area, Hafaga, which extended from the east of Asia Minor to India. India was derived from in the area. Afghan was derived from area Afaga. Haria, renamed as Haria, a regional identification until Europeans conquered India and created an area northern India in discrimination of what they call the Dravidian India. To the subscribers and professors, Allah umurimmah of China, these were ancient warriors who spread into the land beyond in the area, land of the third block of the 3 blocks of the earth, which the ancients called Allah umurimmah, meaning land of the forever youth. These inhabited the land and majority of the tribe of China, meaning children of Father God. This region included Ala Unima Oku Oshimiri, means islands of the burning ocean. Beyond China means children of Chiuna. It is the home of Arianti, means the children of Arianti. Now Japan, Korea, Kichika, and south to the Philippines.